Welcome to our single unit MAPS, a playground wonderland designed to ignite children's imaginations and keep them active and engaged for hours. This customizable equipment features a thrilling FRP wave slide, perfect for exciting descents, and a two-seater swing for friends to enjoy swinging together. The loop rung adds a fun and challenging element, encouraging kids to climb and explore. Crafted with safety and durability in mind, our single-unit MAPS is designed to withstand years of play and create lasting memories. Transform your outdoor space into a heaven of fun and creativity with our single-unit MAPS.